Hey, it's Josh with Million Dollar Restaurant, and today we're going to use the brand builder to transform your patrons into supporters. And we're going to scale revenue through word of mouth and earned media. If you want a copy of the worksheet we're working off of today, click below to download it. Here's the situation. Most of us own restaurants and not brands. But if we focused on building our restaurant's brand, we'd have busier restaurants. Because brands are built through publicity, not advertising. And while it might be tempting to run out and hire a publicist, there isn't much they can do to help you because brands that get press do so because they're press worthy. In my experience, there are three big misconceptions when it comes to branding. First, they're competing using products instead of people. Second, they're focused on profit instead of being mission driven. And third, they fail to realize that your brand is what you believe and what you do, and not your logo. The purpose of today's workshop is to provide you with a step-by-step plan that you can use to build and promote your brand. Let your neighbors compete on food and beverage. We'll use our core values to out-promote and out-market our competition by inspiring our team and our community to support us. And we'll do it using the brand builder. And there are 4 keys to getting the most out of this tool. And the first one is to decide what you stand for. Establish a list of priorities for you as a business owner and as a company. It could be environmental advocacy, culture, community, health and wellness, local sourcing, or scratch ingredients. Once that's done, the second key is to take a position on each by declaring your beliefs on that topic. If you choose to focus on the environment, your position could be that you believe in the responsibility of restaurants to impact climate change. Or if culture is your bag, you can believe in a culture of service. If you're health conscious, maybe you believe in selling healthy food that nourishes the body and the soul. Or if you're supporting local trade, that you value independent farms and the value they provide to your community. Or you can proudly declare that everything you make in-house is done from scratch. Those priorities, once set up as declarations, they become your core values. But values aren't worth much if we don't live by them. So the third key is to turn those positions into actions that are organically press-worthy. Those actions could look something like this. We're doing our part as a restaurant and working towards carbon neutrality by 2023. Or you're hosting an event that supports a local food bank or community center. Or hosting free cooking classes that show heart-healthy ways to prepare meals. Or you can host a mini farmer's market on your patio every Sunday. You could create a free digital cookbook that shows people how to make your key ingredients and signature sauces at home. And so you do all that stuff, and now you're living your core values, but nobody knows about it. That's why the last key is outreach. Choose targets for each initiative that you think would align well with your values. Reach out to them and ask them to participate, and together, create waves. Notify your local media outlets and promote it on social, and reach out to the influencers and bloggers in your area. And let them share this amazing thing that you've created. And if you're doing all of this, how could you not get press? How could your community not know exactly who you are and what you stand for? And it's through your actions that you will build a powerful brand. Nobody gives a shit about your logo. Becoming the restaurant you set out to be will get you the credibility that you're seeking and create a brand so powerful that people will travel miles to support you. Be sure to pick up the worksheet we're using in the link below. And if you want to talk more about this or discuss other strategies to scale revenue or market your restaurant, don't hesitate to reach out using the link below. As always, I'm at your service.